Welcome to the 200 interview topic series. You can repeat the answers after the beep. Let's get started.
Describe an ambition that you have had for a long time. You should say what it is, what you did for it, when you can achieve it, and explain why you have this ambition.
One ambition that I have had for a long time is to learn a new language. This is an ambition that requires a lot of effort and dedication, but offers many benefits such as enhanced communication, cultural understanding, and career opportunities. To achieve this goal, I have taken various steps such as enrolling in language classes, using language learning apps, practicing with native speakers, and immersing myself in the language through travel or cultural events. To learn a language, I need to have a specific learning plan, such as setting goals and objectives, focusing on vocabulary and grammar, and practicing speaking and listening skills. I also need to dedicate a significant amount of time to studying and practicing the language, such as daily or weekly sessions. The timeline for achieving this ambition varies depending on the starting point, the language I want to learn, and the level of commitment. It could take several months or even years of consistent effort to become proficient in a new language. I have this ambition because I want to connect with people from different cultures, travel and explore new places, enhance my career opportunities, or simply challenge myself and expand my horizons. In summary, learning a new language is an ambition that I have. It requires effort, dedication, and persistence, but offers many benefits and opportunities for personal and professional growth. You can subscribe to the channel to get easy access to all future uploads. Happy learning. Thank you very much.